We are going to discuss about multi-perceptron neural network and OT classifier for liver disease dataset. Then we are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to predict or classify the input person is affected by lung disease or not by using different machine learning algorithms. The liver is one of the most significant organs in the human body. We can predict liver disease in a patient at an early stage based on previously predicted values using data from patients with abnormal liver function. Chronic liver disease is also considered to be one of the deadly diseases. So, early detection and treatment can recover the disease easily. Due to rapid advancement in artificial intelligence like various machine learning algorithms, the system is developed the different machine learning algorithm for predicting the liver disease such as a random forest and multi-layer perceptron effectively. The experimental results shows that accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, and compare the results in the form of graph. This is the abstract of our project. Now we are going to discuss about flow of our project. This is our flow diagram. First, we need to take the liver disease data set. We can collect the data and read the data by using pandas package. The collected data is carried out to data filtering module. Here we can check any missing values is present or not. If you have any missing values, we need to replace that missing values by zeros for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding means convert the string into numeric integer value for machine readable. The filtered data is carried out to data slicing module. Here we can slice the whole data into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Based on that ratio, we can split the images. Majority of the images is present in training part and smaller portion of the images is present in testing part. The sliced data is carried out to model generation. So here we can implement two different algorithms such as random forest and multi-layer perceptron. So the generated model, so with the help of the generated model we can estimate different performances such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. So with the help of that estimated performance we can predict either it is affected by liver disease or not affected. Then visualization, we can compare the both algorithms results in the form of graph. This is the flow of our project. Now we are going to discuss about the output of our project. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is our GUI which we are used by using tick enter. First click here get start. First we need this is the result for data selection and display some sample of data set and before handling missing values. So these are the columns which is present in our data set. So these are the count missing values count. So 0 indicates there is a no missing value. So these are the count of missing values. Then after handling missing values, so 0 indicate so all are considered as a 0. So now there is a no missing values. Then data splitting. Here we can split the whole data into test and train. This is the total number and this is the total number of test and this is the total number of train data. Majority of the data is present in training and smaller portion of the data is present in testing. Then we are implemented two different algorithms, that is the random forest. So we can estimate accuracy, classification reports, and execution time. Then multi-layer perceptrons, we got accuracy and classification report and execution time. This is the comparison graph for both MLP and random forest. MLP is considered as existing and random forest is considered as a proposed. Then click up predict, enter values. So just I enter the details. Click a predict button. So not affected by liver disease. Just quit. This is our output of our project. Thank you.